My name's Neil.
My name is Zoe,
My name is Raul.
My name is Owen.
and we are
The Birdies.
Our challenge is called Bird's Eye. It's a game you can play with your friends virtually or in person.
All you need is any kind of implement, any kind of ball, and a target.
The objective is to film yourself hitting the ball into or at your target from the furthest distance possible.
The winner is the person who can hit their target from the farthest distance away. And there can be a second place winner for most creative. Let your group decide.
Let's go!